there is our 3D printed seat in all of its splendor. And so the reason why I wanted to print a seat is because on these factory 5s, particularly these Roadsters, they're built like in the theory of a Cobra, classic Cobra. They're really tight inside here. You barely have any leg room. So I wanted to make a seat that held you well in the car, but that would have more room around. This is the third version of this seat that I've already done, just because it's so tricky to get one of these right. But it's done in 4 sections. Each part takes about, I don't know, 2 days or so. Car seat. We're going to put the car seat together like this because these threaded rods give you a lot of strength, and it's enough to drive the car around. I mean, we're not going to go racing with the plastic seat, but we are going to be able to drive it and test. This is ABS. So just hit it with like 40 grit, print it, drill the holes, trim the edges. Then you fit the fastening hardware in there. So we'll do that right now. Check that out. So these little rods, that we're gonna do is we're gonna trim these bad boys. Nothing wrong with 911s. Had one myself. Beguiling, as my uncle would say. Hold this on here so it kind of, yeah, you can get a crap ton of torque on these things when you print these big plastic pieces. Check that out. Oh, can you say mid-80s Recaro? Like one piece. Dang, I love those seats.